Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to solve system of equations. Just knowing these three steps will help out a lot. So step 1 says solve for x or y in one equation. Step 2 says plug into another equation and solve. Step 3 says use that number to solve for another equation. For example, you have 2x plus y equals 11, and then you have 7x minus 4y equals 14. Okay, so you want to get an x and y by yourself so you can solve for other variables. So I'm going to start with this one only because y is already by itself and it's already easier. So what I'm going to do is subtract 2x from that side and plug it on that side. So subtract 2x from this side and plug it on that side. So from there I have y equals 11 minus 2x. So what I'm going to do is get that equation and plug it in for y. But I'm going to go ahead and use that one because I don't want to just stick to this equation the whole time. Okay, so you're going to have 7x minus 4, sorry about that, minus 4y equals 14. Okay, and then you're going to plug that equation for y. So you have 7x minus 4. The equation is 11 minus 2x. Close that off, equals negative 14. So from there you're going to do negative 4 into each one because you got to distribute into all of them. So you just bring down that 7x. So you have 7x. And then negative 4 times 11 is negative 44. And then negative 4 times 2x is a positive 8x. Sorry, I'm about to put a negative because the negative and the negative is a positive. So that equals negative 14. So what you do is combine like terms. So 7x plus 8x is 15x. And then negative 44 plus 14 equals 30. Because you do plus 44 plus 44, and that's 30. Okay, so now you have 15x equals 30x. So you divide by 15 to get x by itself, divide by 15, so x equals 2. So when you get x equals 2, you get that, sorry, it's all wiggly. You get that and you plug it in to either equation. So I'm going to just plug it into this one because it's right there. Okay, so you have 2, which you just change it to a 2, sorry, plus y equals 11. So you have 2 plus y equals 11. 2 times 2 is 4, plus y equals 11. Sorry about that. So then you do minus 4. Sorry, it's all weird. 11 minus 4 is 7, so y equals 7. So now you have y, and now that you have x, you can just put them together. So you'll put it as 2, 7. Because that's an x, and that's the y. Okay, sorry that was all over the place. Okay, let's try one more example and try it better. Alright, so you have negative 6x plus 4y equals negative 8. Then you have 3x minus 2y equals 4. So from there, we're going to just pick an equation. So I'm going to pick this one. Okay, so you have 3x minus 2y equals 4. So I'm going to do is put 2y equals 4. And then 3x equals 4 plus 2y divided by 3. So then x equals 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3y. It looks difficult, but believe me, it's really easy when you try it. Okay? Sorry, my hands are all wet. So let's start. Alright, so once you get this, you plug it in to the next one. You can plug it into either one, but like I said, I'm going to just jump to the next one because I don't like to stay in one equation for too long. So you have negative 6, then you have 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 y. Close it off. Then you have plus 4y equals 8. Oh, negative 8. Okay. So then you do negative 6 times 4 over 3, and then negative 6 times 2 over 3. Just think of it as like negative 6 over 1 times 4 over 3. You just multiply top and bottom. So 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Negative 24. 1 times 3, or 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So you have 3. Okay, then you have negative 6 times 2, so negative 6 times 2 is 12, or negative 12. And then you have negative 6 times 3. I'm sorry, 1 times 3 is 3. And you just carry down the y. And then you do plus 4y equals negative 8. Whew, okay, that was kind of weird. So if you really don't know it by now, negative 28 divided by 3 is just negative 8. Negative 8. And then negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Still bring down the y. Plus 4y equals negative 8. So negative 4y and plus 4y, that just cancels out, because if you just add 4, it's going to be 0. Then you have negative 8 equals negative 8. So if you add an 8 over here, add an 8 over here, it's going to be 0. When you get to a problem like this, it's going to be called infinitely many solutions. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that. Okay, so you can just write that down, or you can put, as I do, IMS, and then just put dots in there, and if she asks what it is, just put infinitely many solutions. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's a really weird word. Okay, so really what you need to do is just remember these steps, and you're good. Okay, thank you.